hot like 100. Hello, 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 hello.
Loading, strapped with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. Didn't wanna listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MC's bronze or silver. These raps here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Round here, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up myself, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trended the big rock. Me and my G's do everything mixed up. Full circle, that everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them, rhyming, riddling. Cycle through these streets, I'm pedaling. Hibernating them, boom, she's back again. Oh, cause a little fire on the track again. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bar to bar, turn the mic on. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon.
Nice Del Sol. Sweet. Soul Brothers, love that. And we are out here. Freaking find all my homies. Sheesh. That is looking good out here, man. Freaking hot. They got it all, brother. They're looking hot out here. Damn. We got Nikki pulling up. Looking sweet. Freaking awesome. We gotta find Donno with the Hondo and all the other guys. Dude, this is sweet. Super stoked to be out here. Pumped up, man. This is rad. Freaking, they're racing over there on the pit road. Sounds like we gotta try and catch our boy Pachi. This is a little line here. Woo! I'm excited. We gotta catch that stuff.
It's Chachi's birthday and he's over here in heaven with these 240s. All this color.
Definitely a yellow fan, dude.
That's a sick color for sure.
It's a sick color. Yeah. I like it. What up?
Yeah, happy birthday. Thank you. How you enjoying the trip?
Pretty good, man.
You're gonna need to do this, brother. You got a 240.
That's what I'm saying. I can't do it though. Like I'm not that good.
I think you just gotta not be scared to break it, but you can do it.
Oh yeah, like that's basically it. Just gotta be scared not to break it.
Robbie has some of the coolest cars, man. Nice shirt, brother. go. Terrell and the gang. Carlos is super clean, dude. Looking hot, Carlos. And everybody. What up, Pachi? Good to see you out here, man.
How are you, man?
Good.
Pretty good.
Good. Everyone's looking good.
They're awesome.
What you got, dude?
Yeah, we got some stickers with the CRX and the Dorito logo.
Hell yeah.
Rad.
Those
Yeah.
Those are freaking
coming to a website near you
Coming
soon.
to a website near you.
Those turned out
Killer.
thick.
Yeah, those are awesome, Donno.
That's dope.
You guys
Those
kill
are
it.
freaking cool.
Dude. Yeah, they did.
This guy copied my outfit. Got the same shirt. I don't think he was having it. Yeah.
Having a great time.
Sir.
Yeah. This is it, dude. Freaking.
Yeah, the whole Goo Lagoon, or not the whole. Nick is rapping in another
Nick-
Mustang.
Nick is throwing down right now on a notchback Mustang. He's doing work. What up, brother? How you doing, Ollie?
I found him.
I didn't know shit.
My dude.
It's a half wrap. It's half silver, half black.
Oh, dust in my eyes. Mustang there, Mustang there. Back out. That could have been a lot worse. All right, here goes Pachi against the Mustang. Mustang, don't do Mustang things. Hell yeah.
Pachi's out there ripping.
Heck yeah, man, out here taking out Mustangs. How'd it feel?
Pretty good, bro. Very excited, you know,
Yeah.
like she running good. Like with the slick is so different.
Is this the first time you ran slicks?
Yeah.
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 Totally different world, right?
Yeah,
I
for
tell
sure.
everyone just run slicks. It hooks.
Yeah. Yeah.
No more spinning second. It's so cool, man. That was awesome. She's looking good. Doing a killer job driving it. All right.
Angry watching the car over
This thing should have won.
What?
This thing should have won. We know. But now he's over here washing it more.
Wash it? No, I'm
You got your rag out? You
Wash it away so we can watch the race.
I was just checking.
Hell out of here later.
We had a great time.
Dude, it was a great time.
Yeah, I think you should have won.
Oh, thank you.
You win everywhere to me.
Dude, that's not what it's about, though. It's about chilling with my boys. Chachi racing, dude.
Pachi.
He's doing awesome, man.
Killing it. Watch
Awesome.
it.
And Nikki. Yeah, Nikki's over there.
She's killing it.
She
She's
did
over there.
laps. We got it together. Everyone's having a good time. It's awesome. And then we got to get our cars together.
We're getting ours next.
racing 2
Right,
weekends.
CRX, we're gonna be out here.
Dude.
I'm excited,
You guys
dude.
gotta come to Brainerd. You
come to
You're
Brainerd?
trying to drive the van to
Brainerd,
Brainerd?
7th to 9th, to be there, right?
Dude, just do 45 on the highway the whole way there.
Oh, yeah.
It's like 1,200 miles.
5 to 7 business days.
From today, he might be there.
Yeah. Yeah, you might need to leave now, but
Right? I'll leave right now. See you guys in 2 weeks.
Can't wait.
And then I'll meet you
We'll
in
see
2
you
weeks
there.
back.
Gorilla car care.
go to the car care.
Blue Lagoon Garage. Donomatic. GoofyBuilt. Peace out. What up,
What's going on, brother?
You driving this thing? Yeah, you're on there.
Yeah, we just got some footage. It's ripping.
You out drag racing?
We're just hanging out. Our cars are both down right now.
shirt?
He copied my outfit. Look at him. Yeah, Trevor's the man, dude. This is badass.
So I'm a medium. That'll work. With the medium, I mean, I fit a medium. So. Medium, yeah. Yeah, you can't not have that. Right? You're gonna do it. I have to have it, yeah. I sent him a couple of them. I sent him a box. He probably wears all of them. He could. He probably does, yeah. So, he might
It's.
have
I love it. This is one of my favorite
Sick,
ones.
right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I love it.
Colette's Corvette is cool. Thank you for showing us. Appreciate that.
Very simple.
We just had the absolute best time out here. I gotta pee so bad. But we met new people. Got some cars out here. I think now it's time to get our cars out here, but look at this. Beautiful Colorado sky. This is awesome.
All right, everyone's headed out. We just spent an hour or more talking to Colette's mechanic, hanging out, having a great time. Mario bought him some beers. We're gonna head out. They're gonna do some night drifting and stuff, but we got the longest drive, so we're gonna head out and
We had a great day.
Trevor's been killing it, giving tons of rides. We've just been out here. Strad's packing up, they're heading out too. Everyone's been having a great time. But yeah, so they do some night drifting, and that's just freaking awesome. They turn all the lights on, the car's got underglow and stuff. That's pretty sick. But Mario and I, we're gonna head out. We're gonna bring you these epic videos. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you get down below, pick up some merch, pick up the stickers. Everything's gonna be on the website. Like, comment, subscribe down below. This is GoofyBuilt, and peace out.